My biomedical research training was extensively with zebrafish, and I find zebrafish are an excellent model for science education, basically using fish as a model to spark our students' curiosity, engage them in real-world scientific experiments. However, our teachers lack the knowledge and the resources on how they could use zebrafish in the classroom. So to bypass these problems and to empower our teachers, I have designed and direct the Zebrafish Summer Institute. This is a unique professional development opportunity for teachers teaching grades 6 to 12. Every year, we invite 15 secondary science teachers to UT Dallas and extensively work with them throughout the entire year where teachers can use zebrafish. Now, what are zebrafish? Zebrafish are freshwater fish that are not only found in our local pet stores, but they are also actively used in biomedical research. Because these fish have 70% genes similar to humans and 84% of human disease genes have a zebrafish counterpart, they are actively used to understand a number of complex diseases, including cancer, muscular dystrophy, Alzheimer's, and so forth. So these fish, zebrafish, are not native to the United States. They are native to Southeast Asia, but can be easily found in our pet stores. So the Zebrafish Summer Institute leverages these benefits to excite our students and teachers and bring real-world scientific experimentation to the classrooms. During the summer zebrafish workshop, we invite 15 teachers to come to UT Dallas, where they learn how to care for, maintain zebrafish in their classroom aquariums. Teachers also learn how to breed zebrafish, collect their embryos, and use these embryos for science experiments. Because zebrafish embryos share similar body plan and organ development to humans, they're a fantastic tool to bring alive a lot of science concepts. Teachers can teach a number of scientific concepts, including ecology, aquatic science, organisms' interactions with their environment, developmental biology, and so forth. So during this workshop, we are immersing these teachers in hands-on inquiries with zebrafish, where teachers learn how they can use zebrafish to teach science content and provide these real-world scientific experiences to their own students. We put together a toolkit of curricular materials where the teachers can easily use it in their classrooms and provide these opportunities to their students. Now, zebrafish embryos are very easy to breed in a classroom settings. Using recyclable materials that we provide them, teachers can breed fish in their classrooms, collect their embryos, and because these zebrafish embryos can be easily maintained in a petri dish, they are also see-through. So they provide numerous opportunities for students to learn how an embryo develops and grows from a few cells to a free-swimming larvae in a matter of 5 days. Students are also able to see a beating heart within 24 hours. So these not only excite students, but they provide them enough opportunities to ask research-based questions just like scientists. Because these embryos can easily be maintained in a petri dish and be soaked in a teratogen, they can run a number of experiments just like scientists to study fetal alcohol syndrome. They can also study the effects of caffeine on these developing embryos. Students can also study the impact of nitrates in developing embryos to learn how human impacts local water bodies and aquatic life. So what I'm trying to say is the zebrafish are a fantastic toolkit for teachers to engage their kids in real-world scientific experiments. So this also helps us to achieve our goal and empower teachers to bring real-world scientific experiments to the classroom.